Hey guys, Jan here. Comic-Con was amazing. We're doing an unboxing right now with my son. We're about to do this unboxing of the Crow. I'm going to flip the camera right now. This Crow action figure, Brandon Lee. Obviously this is Justice for Hire channel. This video is going to live with my son's channel. And, but this is just too dope, so check this out. We're ready?
Alright guys, this is the Crow box. It's really cool. It says believe in angels right here. The light beaming down at him. And on the back it has accessories. It's his face in shock, it looks like, and grinning.
Mezco.
And angry. It's made by Mezco toys. And then this is the figure, what it'll look like, and looks like pleather, kind of. And it also comes with a stand and a thing for the crow to fly on, a theater mask, a lighter, a knife, and a sword,
Katana.
and this cool design sword. It's really cool rock guitar. And he comes with a grave. It says Eric Draven. He comes with a raven without, or a crow without his wings open, and a crow with his wings open. And he comes with a cat for some reason. I guess he likes cats. And let's see. It says 112 collective pose, play, and display. Looks pretty cool lately. You can see his faces. This is that sword, guitar,
Wow.
katana.
That guitar looks
Knife.
amazing.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, and here's
Whoa.
this. It comes with the raven, the posing thing to stand the raven up. This wire thing, the cat, the other raven. Oh, comes with another accessories that aren't shown on the back. Comes with a handgun.
Oh, is that a shotgun?
Yeah, a shotgun.
Wow.
The lighter's back here, another knife, and two things that
Clips?
two clips, and the
display, the back, the burning crow symbol display.
yeah, and the grave stone, and also something else.
The tombstone.
Yeah, and then this. I don't know what
Some instructions, looks like. This is pretty beautiful. May I touch this?
Alright.
You're like, no, I need to touch this. Shout out Comic-Con, great con.
Yeah.
Wow.
And here it is.
Wow.
Wow. Smaller. Small.
Wow. Can I touch the jacket?
Yeah.
Yep.
Pleather. Looks like Brandon Lee.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, hold on. Let's just compare him to a McFarlane in terms of height.
He's
Okay, so he's 6 inches.
And
McFarlane
then-
is 7, and let's look at the John Wick.
we
And
got
that's
this
John
figure
Wick.
yesterday, which is
So
8
John
inches.
Wick is 8. Let's put Red Hood in the middle.
Look at that.
Oh, that's actually a great shot. Red Hood. Put your thumb down from John Wick's face for a second. Let's get that shot. That's a great shot. Put them closer together. That's a great shot.
Yeah.
Really
And
great
then
shot.
you can untie his belt, which is cool. It's wire, so you can make it like that, and then do that, so it looks like it's blowing in the
Yeah,
wind.
he's got the
And then you open.
wow.
And
That
he's got
texture.
holes.
It's textured shirt. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Everything is clothing. It's actual gear.
Wow. And I think his coat's got wire in it. Yeah, it does.
Oh, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire. That's real dope. Can I touch the leg? What is that? That's really cool. Such a simple outfit, but it's like really well designed. It's like,
Yeah, he reminds me of the Joker.
oh, I just remember when the movie came out when I was like I was like 12 or something.
That's how old it is?
Yeah, I was like young when that movie came out. I may have been 13. But I just remember like being like, who's this guy? And then I was like, wow, he kind of looks cool though.
Yeah, wow.
Again, he's based on a comic book, so like the comic was. Wow.
This
That's just
looks
great.
amazing. With his cool sword.
Was that like a?
It's a sword.
Yeah, we probably should watch this movie. I gotta see this guitar. Oh man. Wow. Wow. I don't play guitar. I wish there's part of me that wishes like I knew what kind of guitar this was. You know? Like
Yeah,
so I
could
can.
always ask Derek.
Dude, this is really cool. Because it was so much fun painting that dark death metal Duke Thomas guitar. So much fun. So soothing.
Wow, look. Ah.
This is great. Yeah, this is AAA. Here in the hotel in San Diego.
Yeah, wow.
It's opening up some figures. This is really fire.
It's one of the coolest.
Yeah, definitely one of the coolest. Yeah, you know, just the difference between this is like it's a really good John Wick action figure, but this is like just a higher end. But it's 6-inch. I wish this was
like normal.
7-inch. Well,
Yeah.
the 6 is actually normal. McFarlane goes the extra mile, gives you the 7-inch. And this is a custom from Jet. So Jet customized, custom paint, inspired by Cosplay Chris.
Look at the back of the.
Yeah, oh, that's crazy. That's so dope.
And you can move them. They're wired.
That's so dope. That's just so dope. We'll watch The Crow this week, the first Crow.
Yeah, the new Crow looks good.
Yeah, it looks probably better than the first one, honestly. All right. You want to end the stream?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we love you. Subscribe to Jet on YouTube. You can follow him at Jet Lucanis on Instagram. He's got a lot of his art. He just put out his dog spawn. As a matter of fact, we're gonna just show this off. I'm going to show this off real quick. So Jet just put out the Todd McFarlane approved, like officially approved McFarlane, and the official only true like approved bootleg comic book, as Thomas Healy, editor-in-chief of McFarlane Productions, says. This is Jet's first comic book. It's Dog Spawn. We did a print run just to give to the McFarlane team at Comic-Con, which is what we were doing most of the time. So Dog Spawn is pretty dope. It's Jet's first original comic book. You can follow him at Jet Lucanis on Instagram, or Jedi Jets Customs on YouTube, where this video that we're shooting right now, that we're streaming right now, is going to live. So Jedi Jets Customs on YouTube, where he does a lot of customization. On IG, you'll see more of his art. On YouTube, you'll see more of his customized custom work right here. Look at that detail. Look at the black wash, the dry brush. So this is, and he gave this to me for my birthday, so I'm like really excited about it. So yeah, you know, comic book family is what we do. I'm even tattooed. This is a fake tattoo. This is my Frasier. So it's rubbing off from Paramount today.
And this is mine.
So, all right, guys. So love you. Have a great night. And of course, subscribe to Justice for Hire. JusticeForHire.app. JusticeForHire.com. For the cinematic universe that we're building with the community. And we love you.
Did you say have a great life?
Didn't say have a great life.